Assalamualaikum students, I hope so you all are fine and enjoying a good health. Today we are here for the English spoken class. We will learn some of the topic here. I have for you some of the things that we'll discuss. First of all, I have to discuss with you we are learning English language and why we are learning English language. Because English is an international language and it is understood all over the world. In fact, in today's world, speaking English has become necessity. So that's why we have to make the conversation in English that will be helpful for you as well as in your career as well as in your class. So let's start. So here are students some words or some vocabulary that by memorizing these words you can improve your vocabulary. The first one is apricot. Apricot means khubani. Next is mallet. Mallet is hathodi. Third one is pomegranate. Pomegranate is anar. Next we have bitter gourd. Bitter gourd is karela, and capsicum. Capsicum is shimla mirch. And the next word we have curry. What is curry? Curry means salad. Next is cumin. Cumin means zira, and plum. Plum means aloo bukhara. So these are 7 words that you will memorize. This is your homework, and by cramming it you will tell me these words in next class. Now students, we are going to discuss some of the words that we usually mispronounce. First of the word here is simultaneously. So this right pronunciation is simultaneously. Next is entertainment. So most these students or people speak it entertainment. So this is wrong. The right pronunciation of this is entertainment. Next we have we. So this is we, not we or we. So right pronunciation of this is we. Next we have our. our, hamara. Next is ghanta, hour. Its pronunciation is hour. So don't mispronounce this next time. Next is information. So in information you have R as a silent. So don't speak it as a information. And its right pronunciation is information. So next you have all. This is not all. This is all. So right pronunciation of this is all. Next is continuous. This is not continuous or things like that. The right pronunciation of this continuous. So repeat it with me again. First of all, simultaneously, entertainment, we, are, our, information, all, continuous. Now students, I'm going to discuss with you some of the phrases that you can use with while speaking English language. First of all, let me describe you what is the importance of these phrases, because these phrases are easy to learn. You can easily cram these phrases, and by cramming once a time you can use these easily in your daily conversation. And the next of the thing, while I'm writing and while I'll read these phrases, this is necessary for you to repeat with me, because by repeating you will learn this. Okay, so first of all we have here, it is important to note that. ये नोट करना अहम है कि. So it is important to note that. इसके तर्जमे या इसकी ट्रांसलेशन के लिए आप लिखेंगे ये नोट करना अहम है कि. Next you have on the one hand. On the one hand mean एक तरफ, on the other hand mean दूसरी तरफ. It means that in the start of your sentence, for emphasizing your sentence or for making your conversation more interesting, you can use these type of phrases. I hope so these are the 2 sentences you have memorized. So we are moving toward the next one. So next we have here in regard to. In regard to mean is ताल्लुक से. So this is also the phrase so you can use before your sentence. Next you have it comes as no surprise that. It comes as no surprise that. इसमें कोई शक नहीं है, इसमें कोई ताज्जुब नहीं है. So I hope so you are revising with me. Next, fifth one is small wonder that. हल्का सा ताज्जुब है. Small wonder that. Next you have to crown it all. To crown it all, bil आखिर या आखिरकार. You can also use the word here to crown it all or at all, at last. So these are some of the phrases that you can use before your conversation. I hope so these are helpful for you.